Hey everyone, this is Mr. Everything, and in this video I'm going to do an unboxing and overview of this UGREEN MagSafe compatible phone mount. It's just described as magnetic. I assume calling it MagSafe would be like a copyright thing, they'd have to pay more. So it'll work with the ring that basically matches MagSafe. But then you can add that ring on to any device within reason and use it that way. So that's actually a pretty good idea with that little pull tab, and it pulls the, I don't really see anything here of note, just that it's aluminum, so that's better than plastic. And this was actually really cheap. I think it was a Black Friday sale. It was only $10, and I don't need anything too crazy. I actually don't want one that has charging or any ports, or I just wanted strictly a stand, and that's what this is. And for $10, if it's quality, you can't get any better. 2-year warranty. There's your ring for, I guess, any device that doesn't have MagSafe or doesn't have a similar array of circular magnets. This has a decent amount of weight to it. Let's see, here's a model number showing the case, phone that has it, or adding the ring. So it's basically how every magnetic mount these days works. Put this on something that doesn't have MagSafe. Let's look at this again. You can see the feet, so it shouldn't slide around. This actually rotates super easy. It's ratcheting. Again, at the $10 price point, if you do this frequently, it may get loose. I don't know, but so far I really like that. This top magnetic piece, the main part of it, rotates. It's incredibly stiff, which I like, because again, you're holding a phone or maybe even a small tablet. Hopefully that does not loosen within time. Again, if you're using it all the time, it may, but if you kind of find your position you like and you set it there, I'm sure it'll never have any issues. That's along with this movement as well. So you have two swivels, no adjustments for tightening, and then this should telescope out. And this also quite stiff. So hopefully that doesn't look like it's going to really work its way in too easily. If it would, you could probably wrap some tape around this, or maybe drip a couple drops of super glue if you wanted it fixed, assuming that that would ever fail. Okay, so now I'm going to try the phone on here. Unfortunately, I had to switch to my iPad to record this. I mean, I could have just put the case on it, but I'd rather test it with the weight of the phone. And right off the bat, it's got quite a bit of magnetic adhesion. I like how easy this is to rotate. I mean, you can just barely touch the phone and it turns, ratchets, direction. Now, as far as this way, this is really stiff, and if you tried to just do that, you'd pull the phone off before you would rotate that. And you can adjust height, and then this angle as well, and it shouldn't have any issue turning it sideways here. And again, it'd probably be easier to adjust the mount before the phone's on it, just so you don't pry the phone off and drop it while you're doing that. And I can bring it down, get whatever angle I would like. So I think I'll leave that one here, just keep this one short. It seems to do exactly what I wanted. It's a huge improvement over this Walmart one that I got years ago. I think it's like a business card holder slash phone holder. You don't have any adjustment. I mean, this was okay, but so much nicer to be able to angle this and position it both landscape and portrait. I think this is the first UGREEN product I've owned, and I'm impressed with it, especially at this price point. So if I need anything else like this, especially some type of mount, I think I'm going to consider them going forward. So I would recommend it. Hopefully it was interesting and maybe worth looking up. So thanks for watching, and you'll see me in the next one. Have a good one.